In this guide, I'll show you how to edit a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. If you find this guide helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to your PDF document, and then we're just going to open this with Adobe Acrobat. Once you have your PDF document open, we need to head over to this left-hand navigation and select Edit a PDF. From here, you'll be able to select all of the elements on your PDF document, and you can adjust the text and pictures accordingly. So as a demonstration, if I select this text box over here, you can see that I can either add or remove text to this, and also from the left hand side we can adjust things like the font and the size and the color. You can also resize this by dragging the edges of the box like so, and we can even reposition this by moving the mouse cursor over to the edge of the box like so, and then just left clicking on your mouse, and then we can reposition this on the page. You can also add content to your PDF document just by scrolling down on the left, and under this add content section here we can add things like text and images, and you can also adjust the header and footer like so. If you want to remove elements on a page, then you can just select the element with your mouse, come over to the borders until you see this directional arrow appear, and then you're going to right click and just select cut. And finally, once we're finished, we can head over to the left-hand navigation and select save to export this as a PDF. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you edit a PDF document inside of Adobe Acrobat.